BioThane webbing, made in Ohio, USA. We are now stocking a variety of types, sizes, colors, and weights. What we're going to show you here is Beta 520, a standard product out of BioThane. What is BioThane? It is a coated polyester webbing. So an exterior PVC or TPU, Beta 520 is a PVC, with a polyester internal webbing. 1,000 pounds of break strength per inch. We are stocking standard and super heavy. The only difference between the two is the thickness. Super heavy is a 4 millimeter thickness, and standard is a 2.5 millimeter thickness. Break strength is exactly the same. The polyester interior webbing is the same on both, just a little bit thicker exterior PVC coating. The Beta 520 product has a leather embossed grain on both sides, semi-matte finish. It is a waterproof product, highly durable. As I mentioned, 1,000 pounds per square inch break strength, easy to clean. A lot of clients use this as a leather alternative, great for outdoor uses, and particularly for pet accessories, dog collars, dog leashes, equestrian, saddle tack, strapping, belting, and a variety of other uses. So a few of the standard frequently asked questions. Can you sew through BioThane? Absolutely. We recommend it. Can you rivet through BioThane? Of course you can. Heat sealing. So applying heat to this product, it is a PVC product. So if you are going to be heat sealing the ends, you need to be in a well-ventilated room. You also don't have to seal the ends. You can leave them exposed. That's perfectly fine, but for aesthetic reasons, if you want to heat seal it or edge paint it, which we'll show you in a little bit, you can do that as well. And for basic cleanup, warm water and a bit of soap should clean BioThane right out. So I want to show you a couple products, some that we have prepared. So dog collar, we used a clicker for this. We have a clicker die, and we clicked all the holes in the tip ends here. This is double bar buckle. So we've got two here, 3/4 inch and a 1 inch. Oftentimes used on pet collars. So the purpose here, and here is our 3/4. The back bar, you come through and down, and you will rivet through this. So when the other side comes through, the back bar here acts as a keeper. So dog collar. These are 1 inches, so the 1 inch, same idea. 1 inch D-ring, 1 inch swivel snap. So as I mentioned, great for pet collars. Really no stretch at all to this product. Great for outdoor use. Hole punching. A few hole punches here. Take a mallet, just show you. So why don't we go through the thicker, super heavy. All right, this is our number 6. So that was one blow. So punches right through. Take our other Osborne, 147. Again, punches right through. You can see here, through the other side. Tip end punch, round tip end punch, 1 inch. Right off. So let me show you the edge paint. So I'll take our chocolate color here, punch the top of this one. All right. So I've got a dark brown. This is more of a medium brown on the BioThane strapping. Okay. A really nice bead on it. Let that dry. Do 2 layers. So just another option too, plastic collar sewn through. So those are the basics on our BioThane Beta 520.